Managed access is a stakeholder-based approach to managing Belize's fisheries, and it has several goals. It looks at improving the Belize economy, look at improving the livelihood of fishers and protecting the ecology of Belize's barrier reef. For managed access to work, it requires several key pillars. One of them is community engagement. This is done through the boat-to-boat, through education, ensuring that fishermen are abreast of the new regulation that is aligned with managed access.
The boat-to-boat strategy was pioneered by BAS in 2012. The reason behind the boat-to-boat strategy is that there was always low turnout in community meetings back in the communities. So the idea came about coming to them one-on-one on their fishing vessels. And that's where the boat-to-boat strategy evolved. It has proved itself as a very innovative strategy in that fisher folks voice their issues, their concerns, their worries.
Pues hasta ahorita, pues como siempre estamos hablando, pues Audubon Society está haciendo un buen trabajo pues para los otros, porque los ayuda un poco. Como siempre les digo, a cuidar las áreas porque podamos tener un mejor cosecha como ahorita. Cuidan las áreas, pues es mejor para los otros porque tenemos una buena cosecha para tener, para poder conseguir un poco más de producto. Porque si no cuidaran las áreas, no íbamos a ver mucho producto para nuestras cosechas ahorita.
The perception of fisher folks since we started boat-to-boat has changed tremendously. When we began the boat-to-boat strategy, fisher folks saw us as an enemy. They saw us as an antagonist, trying to prohibit them from harvesting their resource, which is their livelihoods. Today, we can say that the boat-to-boat strategy has changed that perception. Fisher folks now see BAS as a collaborator, as a facilitator on how to manage their resources in a sustainable way.
It also entails patrol and enforcement, surveillance and enforcement within Area 7 to ensure that fishermen are complying to the new regulations under managed access.
The enforcement aspects dealing with the illegal fishing. We ensure that they have the license for the area. We also ensure that they don't have any illegal products or on the sides or out of season products. The relationship between BAS and the fisher folks, since they're boat-to-boat, they appreciate it because that's one of their complaints. The main complaint that there are fisher folks on the atoll that doesn't have a valid license. So they are happy when we do enforcement.
There is one critical component that makes managed access work. It is stewardship. It's creating ownership of the resources. Managed access creates a platform for fishermen to be a part of the decision-making process.